Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today the road brings me to Florence, South Carolina. And we are here for the grand opening of Buc-ees. Buc-ees is not just any gas station. Buc-ees is a destination. Buc-ees is a travel center and more. And I'm going to show you why you need to come to Florence, South Carolina to visit Buc-ees. And we'll get started right after this station identification. We are attending the grand opening of Buc-ees. Buc-ees is not just a gas station. Buc-ees is a travel center. And as they put it a little earlier, Buc-ees is a destination. And I am going to show you why you must come visit Buc-ees.
Governor Henry McMaster. Thank you, thank you. I just went inside with Buc-ee and they got hats for sale in there, in case everybody's looking. I want to thank Buc-ee, thank you and your team. I want to thank the Florence team, the county team, everyone who had something to do with this. And
your governor came to the groundbreaking. He told me he would be back, and he's back. And I want to tell y'all, this is such a business-friendly state, and these two fellas are going to keep it that way. I believe that. So you're very, very fortunate. We do business in a lot of places, and I can't say that I've had a better experience anywhere than right here in South Carolina. We had over 6,000 people apply for jobs here. We were looking for 300. Our people have told me that this was the best recruiting class that we've had. Incredible employees. They're doing.
They are looking for help always at Buc-ees, but look at how much some of them make. $18 to $20 for a cashier. Food service $20 to $22. Team leader $20 to $24. Department lead $20 to $35. 401 100% match up, 6%, 3 weeks paid time off. Hey, you want to work here. Over 200 gas hoses here. That means each side has 2 hoses, 1 on each side. Over 120 pumps, over 200 gas hoses. And hey, this is not a truck stop. Just cars. Light commercial. Yes, everyone knows Buc-ees is a convenience store, but it's a convenience store and more. It's the size of some Walmarts. All kinds of coffees and teas, and even a bar to doctor your coffee up with essentials to make you that special cup of coffee. This is a special island. This is the Texas Roundup. Beef, sausage, turkey, and pulled pork. So they've got those sandwiches all made up already. This guy here is putting together some breakfast tacos. There's an assembly line going on.
Randy. Yes, sir.
Carolina Tony.
Oh, very nice to meet you.
I saw you on a video. Telling all about Buc-ees.
I had my clothes on, right?
You did.
Okay, good. We're good. Okay, good.
But now you're on my video.
Yeah, no, well, come on. Hello, what's up?
I've only been to one Buc-ees in my life, and I fell on it.
Okay.
It was in Georgia.
Yep.
South of Atlanta.
Okay, I know exactly.
And the first time I saw it, it's like,
Yes, sir.
a lot of gas pumps.
Yes, sir.
So how many gas pumps are here?
I think just shy of 200. So roughly around 200. That's how many you need, though.
I know.
For the boat.
I know. We're a growing area.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you're from Texas.
Yes, sure am.
And of course, everything in Texas is big.
Yes, sir.
That's why Buc-ees is big.
Heck yeah.
We've been waiting.
We're glad you're here.
Thank
Heck
you.
yeah. Have you had the brisket yet?
I have not.
Come on, we're going to go try some brisket.
All right.
Hey, Matthew, can you get 2 shots of brisket for my friend over here? Here's the toast. Oh, yeah.
Can we have a cup?
It's good. Like on a mouthful. Free. Little bit of smoky, moist, juicy.
No, he said
That's what we do. We do Texas barbecue.
I did.
Nuts, pecans, and they've got the hot fudge going too. And Buc-ees is famous for its jerky, and they have got the jerky. Let's look at some of it. Ghost pepper jerky? No, thank you. Pepper turkey jerky. I already did, thank you. Now what is this?
steakhouse.
Steakhouse.
I've got an 8-1.
How are you, sir?
Good, how you doing?
Which one are you eating? This is our number 1.
Take me a while to chew on that one. It's good though, thank you. Well, maybe you feel like some baked items. Well, there is a full-size bakery at Buc-ees. And anything hot, sweet, warm, delicious. How about a cinnamon roll with pecans? Chewy praline fudge, birthday cake, all types of sweets, even saltine, Buc-ees saltine crackers. And they have prepackaged jerky as well. This is the long haul to the cleanest bathrooms in the world. We're going to check them out. They have almost as many urinals as they do gas pumps. That's what I love about a Buc-ees bathroom. Look at all these private stalls. Plenty of places to wash your hand in style. Listen, this is one of the cleanest bathrooms of any convenience store, any truck stop, whatever. And why? Because there's somebody cleaning 24/7. And besides, this place is huge. And you know what? Buc-ee, you got some awesome clean bathrooms. Okay, look at the coffee. Coffee and tea everywhere. And you can dance, you can doctor it up any way you want. Do you ever go into a convenience store looking for a drink and it's hard to make your mind up? Well, listen, with this selection, you're never gonna make your mind up. Oh, you're not a beer drinker? Well, that's okay, they've got wine. I don't know what this is, but that's hardcore. And if you're traveling, you just want some junk food to eat, they've got it. And a cooler to put it in. And
it's not all about the food at Buc-ees. They have everything, even curtains, gifts galore. Look, tan hides, cow hides. Look at all of the little Buc-ees next to the big Buc-ees in this really cool truck. Buc-ees swimming suits. Just wander all down through here. Let's see real quick what they have. Toys for the kids. Buc-ee balls. There's a Buc-ee balls. Oh, buckle up with Buc-ees. This is to put on your seatbelt to help remind you to buckle up. Look at all these stuff. Lots of it. Your grill, jewelry, handbags. All right, well that is our trip to Buc-ees. I hope you enjoyed it. If you ask me, this place is awesome, and the brisket is worth the drive. The jerky too. Anyway, you need to come if you haven't. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.